Welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll walk you through how to enable Bluetooth on PC. Here are the easy steps to enable Bluetooth on a Windows PC. Turn on your PC and log into your Windows. Click the Start menu button. Choose Settings, the gear icon. Click Bluetooth and Devices. Locate the Bluetooth toggle at the top. Switch Bluetooth on. Make sure Bluetooth status shows on. Click Add Device. Then choose Bluetooth from the options. Put your Bluetooth device into pairing mode. Choose your device from the list. Confirm pairing if prompted. Wait for the connected message. Test the connection. Play audio or transfer a file to confirm Bluetooth is working. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.